Bless you.
นักพบพักเชิญเป็นลำที่จะดีและขอร้องที่จันทนา
So you can go from here to here, or you can go with the boat. There you go. Do not enter, okay, before 8 a.m. Violation will be fined 1,000 baht. No drone zone. I'm tired already.
You can change your mind. You still have to walk 500 meters. ไปภาพอย่างเดียวนะคะสนใจไปเที่ยวชมเกาะด้วยไหมคะ You wanna see allow tip 1 2 3 1 thousand 200 baht for two สนใจไหม
What's this one?
ภาพอย่างเดียวโอเค11ต่อตัว
ครับช่วงที่ท่านที่ขับรถเดี๋ยวให้
I'm just gonna walk up 2 kilometers in this treacherous mountain. But the wife says, no, too much work. It's too hot. Don't have enough water. So now we have to take a boat. Shit, what the hell? Wait a minute. Oh, you gotta walk through the mud? Oh my God. I'm walking through mud, people. Look. Gotta go all the way over there to the boats. This is gonna be interesting. Really? You know, people pay money for this back in for mud bath, and here we're doing it for free. Wow, that's funny. All right, time to look at clam when I'm walking in mud. You're walking in mud, man. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a mud massage right there. Mud massage. It's getting deeper and deeper. Look, people, this is real. The struggle is real. Oh my God. Yeah. Oh my God. Look at this, bro. This ain't no joke. Oh. Oh. God. Oh my God. Yo. You just gotta not fall. Don't fall. Do not fall. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. Don't fall. Oh. Gotta walk very slowly. I can't believe I'm doing this. Yo. We got this far to go. Oh my goodness. We could walk in the mountain back. I'm not walking to this back there. Feel this. Oh, top of this. Ooh, it feels good now. Now we got a good walking path. We're talking. Whew, you can breathe. Easy. Oh my God, look at this. Oh, that's a big drop. I gotta take some pictures. Okay. Huh? What? Ugh.
Oh my god.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Just on the left.
You're a better man than me.
Next cave.
You're a better man than me.
No, no. I took us 2 hours.
Wow. We finally made it. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, that's a cave. Oh my God, I'm so tired. This place is incredible. Ooh. Here, right? Not here? Oh, video, take picture. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Look. Ouch! Something scratched me. There's Super Whitey back there. What happened, Super Whitey? You can't keep up? Oh my God, I can't believe you can't keep up. Wow, you need to exercise, baby. Huh? Wow, look at these shells. Oh my God. We just came from like that mountain. And now we getting on the boats. We're getting on the boat and getting out of here. Man, this was crazy. It was epic. If you're not in shape, forget about it. It's like a Stairmaster times 20. Doing it for like 2 hours straight. But I mean, would I do it again? Probably not. But if you do it once, you can check it off the box. You're good. Lucky boat number 10. Cool little engine. Back in the mud again. Back in the mud again. Alright. Here we go again, baby. Oh my God, it feels terrible.